Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 28. In this video, I am going to tell you 6 effective tips to start your day early. When you wake up early in the morning and have a plan for the day, your day is going to be very successful. If you win the first 1 hour of your day, then you can win the entire day. First, to win your day, you need to get up early. All successful persons start their day early than rest in the crowd. 2% of the world's population, that is, those who fall in the billionaires list, have the habit of waking up early. Apple CEO Tim Cook starts his morning at 3:45 a.m. Oprah Winfrey, the most influential woman in the world, starts her morning at 6 a.m. American actor Mark wakes up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. Jennifer Aniston, successful American actress, wakes up at 4 a.m. in the morning. If they all can rise up early, then you can also, and I can also. There is only one thing which is very common between them, you and me. That is our time. Yes, we all have same 24 hours a day. So people, if you want to become an early bird, just follow these simple steps. Prepare a checklist of activities which you want to do right after you wake up. Like, I need to do a workout, I need to meditate, or I need to study, and whatever it may be, prepare a checklist of activities which you want to do every morning right after waking up. Stick that checklist onto a wall or door or in your bedroom or anywhere in a place where you happen to see that list frequently. When you keep on seeing that, your subconscious mind will automatically force you to wake up early. Have a fixed routine. Go to sleep at the same time regularly and wake up at the same time regularly. If you wake up at 5 a.m. one day and 6 a.m. the other day, this habit is not going to help you out. If you need to wake up at morning 5, you must wake up at morning 5. Push yourself and don't give time for any excuses. Decide how many hours of sleep you want for a day. Sleep and sleeping pattern varies for each individual. If you sleep less, you will feel a bit tired and drowsy for whole day, but at the same time, even if you sleep too long, it's not good. You will feel even drowsier and confused. So decide how many hours of sleep you want from 5 to 8 hours. For me, I feel comfortable when I sleep for 7 hours. You need to find which time is suitable for you and your body by experimenting. Like, for the first day, sleep for 6 hours. Next day, sleep for 7 hours. And then the other day, sleep for 8 hours. And then choose how many hours of sleep is sufficient and comfortable for you and your body, and make it your routine. And then make this as your habit. Set your thoughts in mind to wake up earlier. So, how to set your mind? That is an easiest way. Before going to sleep, just think of the people who are early birds. Think about the positive impacts of waking up early. Please remember your mind that getting up early helps, makes your day more productive, and it is taking you near to success each and every day. Start searching about people who are early birds and try to capture how they are achieving success. Tell yourself frequently that you must wake up early. The one which I am going to tell you now is very, very important. Almost all of us are doing this mistake. Never snooze your alarm. Never touch your snooze button. If you do so, you will be lagging behind your time. If you snooze your alarm for 10 minutes, you will wake up only after 1 hour or even more. Many of you would have experienced this. So please don't touch your snooze button. Whatever happens, never snooze your alarm. Now or never. Remember this saying. If you're not going to get up early today, then you're never going to wake up early. Avoid gadgets for the first 1 hour of your morning. If you see your mobile or laptop once you wake up, your day is no more going to be productive. Don't use your mobile. Instead, do some exercises and meditation and then start your day. Today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. So, start your day wisely. Follow these 6 effective steps so that you can become an early bird and can achieve whatever you want in your life. Push yourself because nobody else is going to do for you. And please remember, a beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Please subscribe for more interesting life-changing videos. Thank you.